How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the M2 Motoring YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be working on the SLK. If you've seen the previous videos of test fitting wheels and all that, you would have noticed that the front fender, driver fender, has a little buckle in it that I'm going to fix and show you how to do it, or the way I do it. There's a couple different ways to do it, but I'm going to fix it my way since my car and it's the way that I'm familiar with. But first I have to go ahead and move the XB out of the way and get it all set up. So hang tight, I'll be right back. So you can see I have the car up on a jack stand in the front, the rear. It's kind of up in the air, it doesn't really need to be, but whatever. It's fine, it's not going anywhere. So as you can see here on the wheel, the rubbing has been taking, slicing away at the tread, which isn't good. It's nothing severe, but a lot more shaving than I'd like it to be. Or shouldn't happen, but it is what it is. And I'll show you up close of where it's hitting. It's right here. I originally rolled the fender a bit, not completely flat, just because I don't want the paint to crack. And don't know who drove the car, not myself, but they turn when they go over a bump or whatever up a driveway, and they have the wheel turned and the fender catches. So I got to bend this back. There's a few ways to do it. The way I'm going to do this is just get a heat gun and a rubber mallet and just heat up the fender enough to slowly just tap it back and bend it back. You can use a fender roller also. The way I was taught was on how to roll fenders was with a heat gun and a mallet, and it actually comes out pretty clean when I do it, so I guess I'm doing it right. But I know a lot of people use the fender roller. I personally not a huge fan of it. What happens is on the fender roller, you have to keep adjusting the pressure and all that so you don't get highs and lows, because a fender is not perfectly circle, but the way the fender roller rotates, it's perfectly circle. For me, I just use a rubber mallet, do it on a fairly warm day so the paint doesn't crack, keep the area up real well, and just take my time. The key to rolling fenders is really patience and time. If you try to rush it, it's not going to turn out too great. So, and things will happen. Usually does happen. So generally I take my time doing it, and it's always came out pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on doing this and getting it done. Alright, pretty much done. It's fixed. See here. So if you look, it's all bent back already. Pretty clean. Pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheel back on, but yeah, that pretty much unbuckled it and should be good to go. That pretty much concludes today's video. Thanks again for tuning in. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. And we got a lot of cool stuff coming up on the horizon and want to share with all of you. So until then, take care. Have a great day.